Okay. It make it a lot nicer using the wrench, don't it? Okay, cool. We're gonna do the other one now. So we're using the Sunex pipe plug socket set. With the part number there. You can do the other one. Oh, that's the teeth.
Cause it's strong. Cause it's strong. I got a plug gotta do one day when they go.
Yeah. I'll show you how to do it. We got some of the blue.
Okay.
I'm glad we got that because this for $1 more you get way more than
Way more.
yeah. This is the brand we use from Home Depot. Here you go. That Sunex pipe plug socket make it a lot nicer than trying to use a crescent wrench. Just go in a lot smoother. Okay, there it goes. You can never be too tight. You want the house to blow up.